Alright, so welcome back to the channel. This is our first day with the Meta Ray-Bans, and we are testing them out today. A little bit of POV driving. This is just the mic that is on the glasses. I had to think about that for a second because I'm like, yeah, mic on glasses. Still not used to that yet, but there are ways to link up the Rode mic that I do use, but I really just want to see how this turns out and everything, just like as is. So we're just going out for a quick cruise. Car is still warming up, so we're not going to do any pulls for a few minutes. I think I can do like 3-minute recordings at a time, but we'll be testing out some stuff today. Got about a 20-minute drive to go pick up my daughter, and then we will be cruising on back. So as we're cruising along, we're going to try to get some good video and some good audio clips, and kind of see how the footage fits into my software and everything, and we'll see how these videos turn out. I really think that these have good potential as far as upping our channel's quality. So we're just about home. I hope these clips are coming out good. I mean, if they come out good, I'm having a great time just cruising around and driving the STI. We'll definitely do more videos like this with the 22WRX. If you guys are new to the channel, we also have a 22WRX, has a STI 6-speed swap in it. Also has the ETS turbo kit on it as well, with Cobb's Flex Fuel. So we're just a little bit over 500 wheel right now. We're limited by fueling on that car. But yeah, let's finish this video out with another pull. Let's go. Do a little third gear. back to the garage, and I'll see you guys next time. And just to flip you guys around, so this is what the glasses look like. These are the L version, the larger lenses. I think it fits me a little bit better, but regardless, I think the POV videos look pretty good. I did review them, and I think they worked out pretty good. Now I can definitely sync the Rode mic to these, so the audio will be a little bit better in future videos with these. But overall, I am super happy with them, and they look pretty cool. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. More videos to come, but until next time, see ya.